this Stitch plushie and this blue Stitch thing. And then I also got this little thing and it has Mentos. That was my theme, blue. So my theme is blue, so I got like this kind of tealish blue. And I also got this a little squishmallow, and it is also blue. I think there are different surprises inside, so let's start opening. This looks so cool. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna start with the small. I got this little thing. Oh, this is a butt. Feel this. It's a ball. It's a squishy ball. Hold on, wait. It's that squishy ball. Next up, y'all, if y'all want to know where y'all can get these little things from, y'all can get this from bjs.com or either BJ's store. And my grandma works there. She's the best worker there ever. I got a Stitch. Yo, I got slime. Ooh, this is so weird. It's like slime from the slime thing of Nickelodeon. Ooh! Oh, this is sticky. Icky. Put that in there. I got this one. Ooh. Oh, I thought these are stickers. That was the stuff we got. So much fun. I literally picked this out. Y'all, I need to talk to you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Bye.